Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Poway local and long-distance movers near me. We provide the right long-distance moving services for your needs. Whether you're going one state over or across the entire country, we've got you covered. Our team will help make moving days so much easier. We offer the basic moving services for your long-distance move. We also offer all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Choosing to hire a California moving company means you have to understand the benefits. With a good local moving company, you will save time. This is the biggest benefit, but not the only one. You can also avoid all the heavy lifting or the need to recruit people to help. We provide you with full service options or basic moving options. Our team can complete a move that would take you all weekend in just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Poway moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.